What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a project milestone automation on make.com to update clients about their project status. Let's get started. On Monday, I've created a board that I've renamed to Bright Horizon Clients. So here's where we're going to add our clients list. We are collecting their full name. We are assigning the clients to a member of our team. We're also collecting the date we created them, the last time we updated them, their status, and on status we have intake, project kickoff, strategy development, content review, campaign launch, and performance updates as the status of each of our clients. We also collecting their first name, last name, company name, email, and their phone number. On Make, I'm going to search for Monday and then click on watch boards column values. Here we'll create a webhook, and then here I'll rename our webhook. I'll rename it to project milestone. Then after renaming our webhook, I'm going to choose our board. Our board is called Bright Horizon Clients. And then for the update type, I'm going to choose item specific column value updates. Here I'm going to choose our column, and I'm going to choose status. Here I'm going to click on save. Here I'm going to click on OK, and then I'm going to run this module. And then on Monday, when we change the status of one of our clients to let's say strategy development, you can see that our webhook is running correctly, and we're getting the specific client whose status we just changed. Now, to get the rest of these clients' data, so we can use the data to send the clients the milestone emails, I'm going to copy this pulse ID, and then here, I'm going to search for Monday and search for get an item module, and click on get an item. Here, I'm going to choose my connection, and for the ID, I'm going to choose the pulse ID. For the board ID, I'm going to choose our board, which is Bright Horizon Clients, and then click on OK. Now here, I'll run this module by pasting our pulse ID right here, and clicking on OK. Now you can see that we're getting the rest of their data like their first name, last name, company name, their email, and their phone number. Now with their information right here, we can send them the project milestone emails. We're going to send our clients 5 milestone emails. We're going to send our clients the project kickoff email, strategy development email, the content review email, the campaign launch email, and the performance updates email. I'm going to add another module, click on flow control, then I'll click on router. Since we are sending 5 emails, I'm going to choose 5 different routes. I'm going to select send an email module on each of our routes. So send an email module. For this email, we can rename it to project kickoff email. And then click on OK. The next one will be for strategy development. Here, I'll search for email, then click on send an email module, then rename it to strategy development, then click on OK. And then for the third one, I'm going to choose on email, then click on send an email module. You can rename it to content review email, then click on OK. Here, then choose on email, choose on send an email module. And then I'm going to rename this module to campaign launch email, then click on OK. And lastly, you can send an email, then rename this module to performance updates email, then click on OK. For the project kickoff email, we are adding the email address of our client from Monday. So this email right here. The subject line of this email could be on the lines of excited to kick off your marketing campaign. For the content type, you're choosing plain text. And then for the content of the email could be on the lines of hi, first name. We are thrilled to officially start your digital marketing campaign to boost enrollment. Here's what you can expect over the next few days. Our first step, finalizing the campaign roadmap and timelines, including specific goals for social media ads and email marketing. Your role will be to review and approve the campaign strategy once we share it with you. Team introduction. Your dedicated account manager, Sarah Collins, will be your primary point of contact and will ensure seamless communication. We'll be in touch shortly with the finalized strategy and next steps. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out anytime. Looking forward to an exciting collaboration. Best regards, Mark. Then I'll click on OK. For the strategy development email, we're going to add our client's email right here. The subject line could be on the lines of your marketing strategy is ready. The content type, we're choosing plain text. And then the content of the email could be on the lines of hi, first name. We're excited to share the finalized strategy for your enrollment campaign. Attached, you will find a detailed breakdown of number 1, campaign objectives, which is to increase enrollment inquiries by 25% within the next 3 months. Target audience, local parents with children aged 2 to 5, focusing on families interested in holistic learning environments. Platform and content would be social media ads on Facebook and Instagram, a lead generation landing page, and email campaigns. Then we're concluding the email by saying, please take a moment to review the attached strategy document and let us know if there's anything you'd like to adjust. Once approved, we'll move ahead with creating content and preparing for launch. Looking forward to your feedback. Best regards, Mark. For the content review email, we're adding our client's email from Monday. The subject line of this email could be in the lines of, your social media ad drafts are ready for review. And for the content type, we're choosing plain text. And the content of the email could be on the lines of, hi, first name. We've completed the first drafts of your social media ads and are excited to share them with you. Attached are previews of the following: 2 carousel ads highlighting your unique curriculum and vibrant classrooms, a video ad featuring testimonials from current parents, ad copy tailored to Facebook and Instagram audiences. And then we're concluding the email by saying, please review the attached drafts and let us know your thoughts by Friday, November 24th, so we can keep everything on track for launch. We can't wait to hear your feedback. Best regards, Sarah. And click on OK. For the campaign launch email, we're adding the client's email from Monday. And then the subject line of this email could be on the lines of, your campaign is live. The content type of this email, we're choosing plain text. And the content of this email could be on the lines of, hi, first name. It's official. Your digital marketing campaign is now live. Here's what we've launched: Facebook and Instagram ads, targeted ads designed to drive traffic to your landing page, email campaign, a 3-part email series aimed at nurturing potential leads, landing page, a dedicated page for capturing enrollment inquiries. You can view your live campaigns right here. Here you can add the links to Facebook ads and landing page. And then we're concluding the email by saying, we are closely monitoring performance to ensure everything runs smoothly and hits the targets we set. Our first performance update will be sent on Tuesday, November 28th. Thank you for trusting us to bringing this campaign to life. Best regards, Mark. And the last email is a performance updates email, where we're adding the client's email right here. And the subject line of this email could be in the lines of campaign update, results from week 1. And the content type is in plain text, and the content of the email could be in the lines of, hi, first name. We're excited to share your campaign's performance so far. Here's the highlight from week 1. The click-through rate was 4.2%, exceeding the industry average of 3%. Landing page inquiries was 28 new leads submitted. Cost per click was $1.5, staying within budget. And the website outlining was next. Based on these results, we're optimizing the carousel ads to further increase click-through rate. Next week, we'll launch retargeting campaigns for users who visited the landing page but didn't submit inquiries. If you'd like to discuss these results in details or have any questions, let us know. We are happy to schedule a call. Thank you for being an incredible partner in this journey. Best regards, Sarah. And then click on OK. So these are the 5 milestone emails that we'll send to our clients. For our emails, we can set up filters. So I'll click on set up a filter. I'll label the filter of our first email to project kickoff. And then here, I'll set up a condition to ensure that this email goes out after the status of one of our clients changes to project kickoff. So on status, I'll click on text. And then here, we'll say that the text should equal to project kickoff. Here, I'll click on OK. Here, I'll set up another filter. I'll label this one to strategy development. And then here we can set up a condition. Let's say the status text should equal to strategy development. And then click on OK. You can also set up a filter for our third email. You can label it to content review. And then for the condition of this one, we can say the status text should equal to content review. And then click on OK. And you can set up a filter for our fourth email, should be campaign launch. And then the condition can say that the status text should equal to campaign launch. And then click on OK. And lastly, you can set up a filter for our last email, label it to performance updates, and set up a condition. The status text should equal to performance updates. And then here, I'll click on OK. To test if automation works, I'll send the project kickoff email to our client, notifying them that we have kicked off the project. To send the project kickoff email, I'll run automation. And then on Monday, I'll change the status of one of our clients to project kickoff. You can see that automation ran successfully. We triggered our webhook after we changed the status of one of our clients to project kickoff. And we got the client's data, whose status we just changed. And we use the data to send them the project kickoff email. Let us try to send a strategy development email. So I'll run automation again. On Monday, I'll change the status of one of our clients to strategy development. And you can see right here that we triggered our webhook after we changed the status of one of our clients to strategy development. We got the client's data, then we sent them the strategy development email. The subject line right here. And then this is the content of the email that we're sending to our client. Now, let us send the content review email. So I'll run automation again and then change the status of one of our clients to content review. You can see the automation ran successfully, and we send our client the content review email. This is the subject line of the email, and this is the content of the email that we're sending to our client. Let us send the campaign launch email. Now, to send the campaign launch email, I run automation and then change the status of one of our clients to campaign launch. You can see that automation ran successfully. We triggered our webhook after we changed the status of one of our clients to campaign launch. We got the client's data, and then we send them the campaign launch email with the subject line and the email content. Let us send our last email, which is a performance updates email. So I'll run automation, and then on Monday, I'll change the status of one of our clients to performance updates. You can see that we triggered our webhook after we changed the status of one of our clients to performance updates, and then we got the data. And using the client's data, we send the client the performance updates email with his subject line and this email content right here. So our automation works perfectly. So with this simple automation, we've automated sending clients project milestone emails, updating them on the milestone and the status of the project. Now, if you have an automation or a system in mind that you'd like for me to create, just comment down below in the comment section. I read all the comments, and if I land on your comment and I find it intriguing, I'll come back on a future video showing you how to create the entire automation or system from scratch. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.